Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's topic is going to be on how to create custom GPTs. And the GPT that we are creating today is going to be a cold email writer. To create a custom GPT, you will need a ChatGPT Plus. So this is what we are looking for, custom GPTs. And to create a custom GPT, you will head on the left sidebar and click GPTs and then create button on the top right corner. Here you can see two options, create and configure. And to explain it shortly, create is designed to be more user-friendly and straightforward. It's better for quickly getting started without worrying about any technical details. And configure, on the other hand, gives you more control and advanced options, but it's a little bit more complex. And that's what we are doing today. And let's start creating our custom GPT. So the name is going to be a cold email writer. And for the description part, I'm just going to copy and paste from my notepad. The instructions part is what your GPT is and how it behaves. I have a set of rules in my notepad and I'm going to again copy and paste them. And the conversation starters are example prompts for users. So again, I'm going to copy and paste them. For the upload files part, you can add private knowledge for it to use. So for example, if you have a PDF document that contains really good cold email examples, you can upload it here. And the recommended model is to recommend a model to the user. So let's just keep them default. And capabilities also, let's keep them as defaults. Web search, canvas, and image generation. We don't need code interpreter and data analysis for this one. And the actions part, it's a little bit more advanced. This is a place where you can use Google's API to send these cold emails straight to your Gmail draft inbox. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video about it. And for the last part, we are going to upload a profile picture for our custom GPT. So now we have a beautiful profile picture, and then let's just press create. And here you can see different options. You can choose to show this custom GPT to only me or anyone with a link, or you can add it to GPT store. Let's just keep it with anyone with a link, and we press save. And then it gives us the link. You can copy and share it with your friends, or just press view GPT. And here it is. Let's test it. So let's just pick one of the example prompts and let's see what it gives us. And that's it for today's tutorial. Comment down below what did you think about the video. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.